some Amonitarian Jumaria fans at Tibofa, Yarostorus no more and so a banana peno, Wabadi Jumaria fans a full time Emono, yes, come Archers and also second was some other kind of Mamman to them, sir. Yawa matches, I was a person of Yaminano, and some other saying Yamian Botana, Yaberum, our Brought Jumaria fans and Shurupa, and after Conference League matches and and some other basso. Now, a Jabba Conasanra, Mekatro Sabobo Cavanis at Chelsea, Wamuso called Kazakhstan, Alamane Astan, Ababokuno, and some Nakakabo, a game natures, a free, a London, and some Nako Kazakhstana, natures, a Muke, now Jaminian in Amasano Peno, Nami Garafi Bisa, manager, Yafanis and some Alaska Agensa, Yamiarama Center or book game, and some Nadia, Aya Brunford, Omutumuno, Nasama Abasosansa, Wambasabia Chelsea, and Kuraba Brenitano, Wabama Aya Place, no tabu names, more number train our London, Wadam Kodana more and some number for Aman Kotana, Wamusia Kanama Chelsea, Oma Kadamino, Womana Chess and one also many chance as aboard their flight to Rome, our Kazakhstan, our Branya Motana, Wamusum game Abasu before, what then a pro match conference Abasono, not German second at Chelsea, Wamuma Kraman Kodari to say Akoda, Yafano say Ato Ampa, yes, one of them say Chelsea boy not just ready, what you say again and Yakotapa, Yafano Ato Ampa, or no, and some other kind of Timno, a BMA Harrison Mahon, Akoda and Fanasa Kaiten Wilson, and I just Richard Olise, Yaka Olise, Natchez and Unia Penny, and some other Michael Olise, Anwa, what man of the match, our probable Kua, Yafanasa Bamunchin, any team, the Din Ere Shakta, Omugana Basso, Natchez and Michael Olise, and Yokumana, Yafanasa Richard Olise, one of some other Ram Abo, and also Rusubaka Timno, and watch Yakotana, Yafanasa Josh a champon, Onokrano, one of some other Timno, our Bromoko Astana, and no, I Kazakhstan as I came Abaso. Now, many Janatanasano, one send the free London, Elko Kazakhstana, I don't Shile Amakumako and Wake, I 8 hours, and Abacha, and in and out, and some 16 hours, our bra, Wamutu, and also Mutu and Wano, Wamusum Akoko. Now, Jaminian Anasa, Wamus Omujumadio Batinano, Wamusum Nabe Zero Captain, and Ayashuki, and some Adia, not just a name plus I'll repeat to say, I am not in my do econom, Wamusum Naba stay away, Germany Jana confirming, and Sansa Unusakotana, your father Pedro Neto, one I suspended our Branyamia Duma, Sunday, Omana Brentford elbow, as a Premier League game, and no elbow to Pedro Neto, I suspended Manigana confirming, was saying I am at work, about London, and I pay a boy Shuka time, 10 o'clock, one woman coming in, and some other running our Cobam, our Bramo, and some Mayasma Manigana Tuka, and I can't be, and I'm on a brown for a game, one of some Maria Quakasha, and no, I guess 7 o'clock, and I draw our bra, and no some game, I will run also out as a Yuka, and no some other to me a bustle. Now, many general sound say, I will be a baby sound say, and you be we are contenders at the Premier League, we are also Derby, Essence, Chelsea, woman to Liverpool, Elevo, woman to Arsenal and Camasabia, woman some not to Man City 11 today, Munka, I title race, and a young Sawa, and a man for say, and a Conference League, so move to me at Jem, and yes, soon now, so would you Wabu sound coach in the Sanya Conference League, move to me at J, Yank reply, about Chelsea, a manager, your friend Enzo Maroska, and some other man central for no.
We have, I said already many times about this competition, the main target is to go next stage, now the group stage, the next one, and then the next one. Now the target is to go to the next one. Then we achieve the next one, the target is to go to the next one. I don't like to think about 4-5 months fight.
Why? Why don't you like to raise your ambitions?
No, because it's not about ambitious. I'm quite ambitious. The player, they are ambitious. The club is ambitious for the history of the club. But it's because, in my opinion, if you think in 4 or 5 months, probably you can lose a little bit the focus that is just now. No, we have, I said already.
Yes, and no, I some manager friend sir, and so Maras cannot test your dinner accepts Emma not just a conference league. No, so many guys say, Woman Yanja who said be at Chelsea, Ebert me at Dinty, and I'll say be ambitious or said there be a sanity. One way ambitious and a place, Nino, and some ambition. No, the best one can say, idea best the next I have 4 months, and the idea best the next I have 5 months. No, Christ, I will pray. Now, this other Quadanum Cantine, more with the Premier League Gaba. About Togo, Mosada conference at manager no, and some not burning answer Togo, Amano Casano, and some way up the Taba and what we got time and money tie and show me catch will say, or real fun Sir Jim Ratcliffe, or no, as part of Sabia, walk at the cross, minute to January, I'm a catch on some Christmas party. Welcome, Nanka Ayajabia, Fibiana, but just a fellow, Abako, Neriana, Sababa Cobronia Brumwa, Nanka, Manchester, Mostar Frino, and some Christmas party and they welcome. You're not showing on a project and say can so run. Yes, also about more ruthless. Now on your radio Casabia, one of some other Gunyo Mamino Casino, Sanka Ebia, we are Juma Manchester United. We employee and Manchester. Ayabobo Kuna, Musin Kafina Babasua. One more be a bonus or annual bonus, no, Ebia best £100. £100. I amount to a joke, nobody has so Edia Messansa, Abusian, our fear Ebia. Wobato biscuit B and I say be a drink B and it say be a cookobini chase a punchy B a coffee in that channel. Yes, so right fan of Jim Rascal say £100 as Loto Nasasen about £40. I just say £40 in the crown. Jamin said can say a MNS gift voucher. A tinya yes be a show some Sabia I have voucher umpo so the Kotobi be a Tadina Land Kebioma Pake and some £100 per person, and no I employees of our Manchester United or your father said Ratcliffe at the so and some other buy £40 or say £100 at Dosonoto. I'm a Geminian city papa could say, hey, I'm a free glazer so one of your protest and I move your team and to your home and a munya home corner gentleman and a was in Glazers crowd ya anya amuje wabusiaho afeneba ko near ya what to make a Josebia Jaya with your toy the amount Kodana what more fails on your papaya I'm a say some yet Manchester in Nano what was some Asha say no more and also some update about something Nano yet the Emma yet for another pay and some other short so champions against something Nano no boss no more say what okay and maybe a come not your ball a year shoes Alcobasa player your funny Christian Eriksen or no and about the first footballer yet the pace maker Ashana Kuma ho nanu ya so nyame nkwa na fafien kayantia sampa esansa akora na ofi Roma yabeka cho sem oboron ama Fiorentina ya fam se Eduardo Boffi wanu som atwahwe amom game against Inter Milan woman timi antos omo manu ayaba 70 minutes corner pass woman boy no akwa hospital esansa aye cardiac arrest and a chino na jaminya na Wednesday no sa yase nyame adom oma surgery no adiama akora na fa Eduardo Boffi ama just surgery doctors no and as surgeons almost say e call kama nyame armo chena yawo nyame ebam na sa hwiansia wo mo som na betimi discharge akodana ye fa no say Eduardo Boffi ama just boy no anso timi yakọ na Boffa nyame armo chena omo discharge no Shadrack mama surgery na doctors ye ya seria na illustration bi som city adena ye fa no say implantable cardioverter defibrillator no say the city omo de show akoma na attack no say press maker Eriksen omo de wish na akoma o and to win about the second footballer ye dem aye ne kan say aye cardioverter defibrillator and some asha na akoma ho we aye implantable one night as a press maker jumadi e dini say the moment ebia so born over to us ba and your wawasemwa woman so wawasem to say bia wo bona ebia machine so wakoma no boya and tampaned the electrical shock and some akoma no say bia akoma no and some betimi aboya to say the mutu kwana mo take am na utonko utwa take it obi atwa take it wutimi dan wo kwakodo obi abati wo ni bakwa bia da wo so na betene no amini enti wey and this shock abama akoma no say bia akoma no ensom na betimi afanshi omo se surgery no ensom akokamati nyame adom ebia wotena womo som na betimi discharge akodan na ye fa no se Eduardo Bove eno ensom adete finance wo ye ensom na de aba sansam nyina no ye de amiete for de minya no se Napoli womo kwada na fa no se Krita Kvaratskhelia womo se wo prana no prano and report am say kan say best 1 month wonom abetena fi ontimi mo ball and Napoli na chesa ba hadwen na in the absence no metes wo mo gire pass Bozoni na ye fa no David Neres ono and abetimi replace akodan na ye fa no say Kvaratskhelia and some our Napoli almost set up no mo wonom say me no ka say report a minya no say anwa and some our Barcelona almost company me ba to dwana no person no mo koda hotel na ye fa no say Radisson Blue na Radisson Blue hotel ho and abobo kwala no say bonsa wo mo som akoloje shaka be mo hotel bi ma no pai me de ba mpa be da so environment aye serene and what be bia some aye kama wa bra and you may conducive and so mamwa mo so mo kwa enu ane agenti hotel ni wo mo training session and I was a basu bia no and also across enu and some our signal duna ama just say ye just a bonsa and some other ball almost game no na report to me nyan say enu na dwona na de chi na no pai no as usual aye kwakodane aye tradition knockout and the firecrackers wo mo totoi yes it Dortmund supporters no say Bronya ba ti omo we shemu Merry Christmas ona mo damo so we shak fami ko ba bia na aye firecrackers atoto pepao pow a chese woto no wo mo sem amoma boys na enya so ensom anakra na nkama se bia wo mo som atwoma ho me hodie a chese ba se tie kakra bi no wo se de nyoma ensom asukwa ho machin ari sa we player no the Radisson Blue Hotel our Dortmund na bia ho mache be se no me anu kono Sadewe to na so betimi adade na cheso so ho pa yenti se de amachi esikoi.
Vamos Alex, están tirándolo ahí de la carretera y siguen tirando. Ahí arriba, mira, cuidado que nos tira uno. Cuidado Alex.
Cuidado.
Espera, que están tirando ahí. Si se va la seguridad.
No es la primera vez en Dortmund.
Que lo vamos a pillar. Vente. Corre. Que lo vamos a pillar. Vamos.
Salen en directo.
Yes, in Tiadena na chese kasa enso awachire a chese we no aye firecrackers ana chese awmachi awo Barca omonso hotel Radisson Blue awo Dortmund na chese dedene sanyo mani nyina no eno som akwaso report to me nyane say manager no nyara resana squad what start against aye Real Betis obasesa no and say oye Barca fan e bi nei obaso wo sere mo probable besia kwa I so go back na kwhwe aye omo start game against aye Betis our brasa game no mukonya draw ema chese mu coach no enso manya red our match no mo enom na yese de city our banana pay no yensa kai de update ni na de Betis na de no enso na ba kodia na ni atro say okwan mu Rafinha ne Lamine Yamal and Lewandowski wo na ba start e wani mu omachi aye Dani Olmo ne Mankasa Donafe akwada na Faris Pedri wo mo som achi a chese defenders no Alejandro Balde Enigo Martinez and Pau Kubarsi afa Jules Koundé and a goalkeeper abe Iñaki Peña wenom and a Jabesa Canasa from Enwa training grounds no na no some achasa wonum and some never start a gamer I was no some about Arsenal and no permit update them I say woman managers omo sika a winter woman about come market no shout out from Arsenal training grounds Enwa I was so bad reality a training complex so Enwa you say party no because woman na nya true nya se bia wa pra meslo prai na am say Arsenal na ye tie bia game we no and should anya game bia was bia bom hu ebiam ensom ansa kotan na ye fa no Ricardo Calafiori and Gabriel Magalhaes omumi no ye se fa no mo ya recover omunya recover from injury no wo mo twa se bia boys no aba recover na so anwa Julian Timber and Alexander Zinchenko omumi no report am say kan say ayom individual aye training programmer wo mo som adama boys na eno na cheso mo tisu a wo mo som ada so de ya tuma chese no aye nioma eno no eno som across a wonsam nyina no ye de ama ye te for enano pay en som abo show no adeba ko a ema nioma ye fe na chese nioma en som aye kama en say na ye won LeBron James en ne ba and some ball a basketball and some Manchester Lakers team no na Manchester Brown no na LeBron and the banner bon yababa usa Ronaldo and some other swan on the banner ball na enra onu say owura fa no say Peter Schmeichel na ba Kasper Schmeichel aye goalkeeper am a Celtic na yabo ball every enra na awasa papa no ana post match when interview the by fan say Kasper am a Chesema omni Dinamo Zagreb e wa we masa me say the come me 7 me da se pa shak 7 in here na enra Bobby 100 young say Tomua and Celtic el zubon na unra crossing hey Panyai, woman who's a bonus. When you have chin, we attack and send me elastic limit, Massa. No, there is some battle body of a crossbar, blasted him home. A Celtic so but as him no be a bonus some because Seva could have been and one just a note in power. Now, post match, I don't want papa, a your protection Mako, every son about Kasper. So, Bonadia, Nanka show you what will save you bonus saying. Ana Owusiyo, Yenti Anu and the Banum, Adam and Papa Emra.
Are you happy with that too? Yeah, I'm happy. Are you happy with that too?
Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, like you said, it was a difficult game. We couldn't really get our creativity at the top of the pitch going. You know, and there's lots of reasons for that. No excuses, but difficult game. An opponent that played man to man all the way through. And we didn't manage to create enough in the end. We expected a man-to-man game, and every time you play man-to-man, it's obviously about beating the first press and getting through that. But it was difficult, like I said, it was difficult on this pitch to play one touch. I think the key when you are playing against man-to-man is that you can play one touch and you can get round corners fast. But you know, I think it's a good sign that we've got to a point where we've drawn 0-0 away from home in Champions League, we're not too happy.
Yes, and I am new man, course, so not just a papano, what that post no more premier be a trim amani bay, and some make Abusiana proud, and and also, of course, no premier, but two just Liverpool manager and a slot essay. Namije, a yet resort to no and your performance, and as I say, German second in a slot essay. Liverpool standards and one not just from here below. Now, the best work coming in and says Liverpool team, Champions League, boy, new format say omba so me bi papa bi enso our tournament ni mu dia na sempo aye competition mu dia and you say omo pagya omo madumpom our so omo standards akoso ya adwuma enra owura no giri e ba samone ma na chese nunias abone nyina no enso our form na German say kan say na manager na ba wa hyedan for bi amasa bi Liverpool atiska kwakoto asomasi anasa bi obentenmom German say kan say transfer market biye na otise bi say manager your phone say an a slot up a yes striker e man enyo wanwa we be nya tebeka number 9 ni nyina so no agi to musa no ade nunias no botugu na so edru bra omo hia go a omo players no be se bi enu mi se bi enu ebiam esamba ye Mohamed Salah ono ana just was saving Liverpool team na e ma 100% record no enso across aye intact ntinai jaminya ni nyina no se Liverpool team no enso aba se bi a striker wo mo so bi ebe ba eno aye kakra filmu eteba no we fan say Rio Ferdinand ono and was say ha mo bia na da mamo me na Madrid na Barca ne ana ba mu che bia ne masa na ya ketim o betimi age Champions League na what did you pass mo kwa say Liverpool wo mo ana eye favorite adama UEFA Champions League na sansa bon na Liverpool for bono abebi o mo find a way and say what do you say bia Liverpool team no wo mo boka kana sempo ya ko mo betimi age na Liverpool and Rio say what did you about Liverpool team no and some betimi age and na Wednesday nyame ya doma aye next week Monday and a calf wama Wolves night ebaso na Nigerian yakoda na fan say Adamola Lookman we be kasa no bi atwam anya Lookman about Premier League ni mu no masa akwana form from last season eba say ko AFCON and say but this season bra won nya bob nkuma ehu pa enya mo wo say duro bi na Chelsea fo no say wo mo som anya no mo pe na obi ya say masa empa ne toto mpane no a mamu nkonkosu abrofo no emeye na 5th Pro 11 wanyemu owura and e bia Ballon d'Or kwan ba bi odi na hye na nya papa bia momfa African Footballer of the Year award ema akodai wonu obia mamuhye onu obia ni chempa wonum ana oso ote na omubusan se 1 ede na ma ne mono bo asesa ana for 2 ana bia na African Footballer of the Year award African Best no wodiri ye ba so obete ana asesai ana osuni ma Adamola Lukman and some akasai.
I'm also my nation, so I feel like I've improved a lot as a player in a lot of aspects of my game and continue to improve. Always want to learn and get better, so I think there's still levels to go, to reach, to improve and to attain. So yeah, at this moment I'm in a good level, but there's a lot of levels I can go up. Obviously, to be nominated is a dream come true, because yeah, it's a proud moment not just for me but for my family, also my nation. So yeah, we look forward to the event in Marrakesh on Monday. So yeah, it's nice to be nominated.
Yes, and no, I am Nigeria. Quite a fan say Adamola Lukman African Footballer of the Year award. No, and some other Kakra to Jahon Samino. Yet the Emenano Pembe Catros are frontier. Your fan say Mbappe and I know better scan. Now, so almost Sunday Bonusing a Mia Duma. What's an war and I was saying Mbappe scano and no some about almost a brand new roster and Gemini and watching when better scan you said any injury and no some city. Now, many fans Ancelotti or say. On what did you pass and a yana more can or Mary Moby and Mary was almost squadron. I have players crabby no matter on tea. Woman no so sad. It is our rotation. I know persuading now. One to me, yes, as was any place. Well, the best our rotational policy no and Tiamunya from no. Now many Janet passing a moment to Yako Kama. And my report and said can Sunday. Woman said Bonas said Dennis Barrios, Abo, and some animal market, you know. Woman my brain and come behind. Mo mama di se bia se ba sentanya boni bi mama be fa na koni nyina no wo mo se akoda no oni ba bia akọ na Brahim Diaz ono de o say wo bo Mbappe Vinicius and Jude Bellingham and some abaso BMV wo bo ayo mo mi ensa abaso sense wo mo ya adwuma pa wo say enu agam o mo prepare ye na Brahim Diaz ya no mo tati TTB amam for say ana Madrid enye favorite ana Madrid unqualify Madrid enya de na Madrid asa wo say ya mo ntwen ewieye ana wo sam dun komo nyesi ya hye bibia se na enuru ba bia na mo kasa na wo yo waya na den na rounded bobo ko na wo ma ba see tase mutimi kan ye mu pa bia wo se ya mo ntwen e ma chesani ma ankopem ansana mo so ma comment no o wo giri se top 8 wo mo so aba finish na Jude Bellingham mo domba na say no ashase opeja na se rally go she go so no pa ma no a wo sa no ba ko kan no boy no go no de na no say na Jude and was say when one can manager fans Ancelotti edin koma catch coach ni say coach baby adem to no de ehonye wo so no some man freedom and said about Madrid for bia no ba tabia no what na strikers match pa bia wo ko wo se sa no pen ball no na on manager ne kasai e ma manager no some atena sentinai eno ana makwa ma chese no money nyina no and some I say picture be way I question about Piero and some other busa ma me no kasa nyina no wura your fan say Jude and some ayi ano yente say the Jude and say when the manager fans Ancelotti sikasai.
Yeah, the potential's huge. I think you're right when you say that. I think we're still only scratching the surface of what we can achieve as a team, to be honest. I still feel like this team has many levels to go. I think we do the outstanding things really well at times, and then the fundamental things is what sometimes lets us down in games like the previous Champions League games and stuff like that. And obviously for me personally, I think with the new team, it's kind of a new era at the club, and there was a lot of changing of positions to see where I could fit in and feel comfortable. But I've always thought that as a player, when I'm playing with freedom, that's when I'm at my best. And you know, I've had meetings with Carlo, and he's helped me find that freedom again. And yeah, I think I'm benefiting as a result.
And no, I have branch fan say Jude, and I'm telling Kase you're dealing some and Bishop Bibia find here.
Oh, Nyamia Dumara, and the Mukama Bibia the Assembly Nyambai. Oh yeah, Beba, better with your man. Now we are can the pen and the paper. Oh, so to Abantina or to Boba Paxo. And then Branabe Kawasame, Akosia J or GBC. Now connect X no swa. Unia picture bi odi ato pa na hwe oba pa na mebisa me nti akomia ose anu namni oh owen fa
me say ni ade na obezo
ka nti owen okore oso onko kasa bi o ha de kore na me ko kasisi a o se na akọ ide na de bia me so ya me ne ye but ko o nga ube ti mama leji ade na ya wo nwo ho sa no
Opacho.
Onko e asamba asami ya na wo obesa de abetu menim makoka bia ma
Opacho.
Me say ayo ena make no obi anko ko akosu aje oko akosu aje ni wo no so ba pa picture me de ba wa mi srem chira nko obi anko ka say
Well, Lucy likes it though. Honorable worry. Honorable worry.
Sompa Sports.
Honorable worry.
When you know so for honorable worry.
Honorable worry.
Me ba jo na me o ballot paper.
Honorable worry. Ori ya no de nam Sudan airport was say welcome coach. Coach ni hia wasa be catch say coach.
Na me o ballot paper be so.
Honorable worry.
Me de ba, sharak me de ba why. Enyo o se anu na mi.
Enye dey.
Me am me ko catch again say.
Who go catch again say dey.
Dey dru ni dey.
Dey dru ni dey. Fancy so ho ye.
Nyame adum BBF.
Ne ho nyankote a.
So ho ye pa.
Nyame adum BBF. Okay. Yenkwe.
Na
Edem ke masama ba ku bi kra si aba wo de check here no no dey aba fresh one
na isi adai
oh say ye do ye fo ase fees na ko si be di bro nya ne de ene sa na de na bro back ane no ona de ayemonyo bai na shi obe di me use
do comment.
No comment.
No comment.
Sompa Sports. Bishop Yenkwe.
Now, Sisi and the man who said, pecking or die or Real Madrid. No, they said Luka Modric. Then it's a bias at two. Now, who can I mistake a fancy? You have to leave the football before the football leaves you. Soon pay. I'm near Mary. So, uncle, after season, we uncle and crying in the agrono. Good for him is that at the personal level, any team level, he's excelled for club and country. Nti e best no onko say na Ceballos mo na ewo wenim de em say obo season ni wi a on fan to din na nko. On the evidence of that game, then I say Ademola Lookman no be for African player of the year. From Charlton to Everton. Ademola Lookman ene na Fulham okobo panenka bia na obi esre no ewiase no nsia bompre no nsia bia ne de ba Ademola Lookman has moved on from an outcast to about one of the best players on the continent. Afcon Nigeria boy mudru final Cote d'Ivoire from nsem no ona na drive team obae oni Atlanta bebo age Europa League no season we shall say or the World Champions League they are competing at the elite level for the Scudetto. Intike ebe me nwanwa say e bi nyo bi fufuro bi wo bibiri mu aye de be yi ni say wo African Footballer of the Year when it is not Ademola Lookman. It has to be him because what done a DPF for both club and country say he's that guy and nothing could
Sompa Sports
ubie ni wa yi ni ho abobo no at the individual level ama ne modem akosoro sen nti mpanyifo hia omoma yi hu ne enti a eni se ono na oya African Footballer of the Year enche na Inter ni Fiorentina ekofa Eduardo Bova na sem ne bae na at 22 Eduardo Bova ni hia pacemaker ona koma ho se ball no kro betimi abo a nyame nkwa akra na ebeche at 22 adwuma odi si na ni so obeye no life could force him to an abrupt end. The camera like it was yesterday, Inter Fiorentina. And another chain, I can't want some. Bove your own room. Bove, Jose Monyo room, I don't know, introduce you. Then wa bobo na wa Fiorentina enehwe. Iriasu we na ye wo mu no. Fine, but nobody be hawdwuma won tiase.
Yeah, na me nya why na bi no.
Yeah,
obi won me bia to say the situation was me pa na nka bia me Messi anka me pe o.
How do your name wa kire? When my men in the papa no me German Italian family of Naples in their own room. So what again? Abobo na to see akomi adeba kwaya in modern times TV any social media to become a professional footballer is extremely difficult. You need to be very, very skillful to be a professional footballer. By any street footballers, we were why could training they be alco road, a homachin, I had Nyoma Kumye all to become a professional footballer. And then life could take away his dream and job away from him. Serious insanity. And then concession kakraba. I'm conceding on Darwin Nunes. Yeah.
That's him way.
I'm conceding. I have to. Champions League, no. I'm on my end statistics, no. About 306 minutes. And he's averaging 4 big chances missed. Akumia? Men's but game state, I had about statistics cannot cover. Fancy. Yeah, bobo na a goalless. When you a chance, I know about watching. At the other end, the question. So, obo chance now, unya any share. And I feel a team no, ebabe recover from that game state. But obo to change, it propels them to go after you. 306 minutes, 4 big chances missed. That's like 72 minutes per chance. You need a killer. 2. Liverpool are experimenting with Luis Diaz at number 9 in some games. Bayer Leverkusen and then Manchester City. They want technical insurance. Player number 9 say Roberto Firmino. Obetuma bobo ni bi amom. Goals ni the man who say nyom Sompa Sports. I'm conceding. Liverpool, Salah, Firmino, Mane. First time on board Champions League ni was 2017-2018. Year no ball final against Real Madrid. No. Fancy. Firmino shared 10 goals in the Champions League. Mane shared 10 goals in the Champions League. Salah shared 10 goals in the Champions League. Now, Oman said the burden is becoming one-sided. And that's why, and slot. Anna, what team who say they have to cut their losses. On Dashing man. Then replace him. Find a number 9 on new ball Nibibo. Because you can't keep him with that price tag when he's also not delivering. Some be your market national and they are more massive. Ian Rush, 346 goals for Liverpool. Roger Hunt, 285 goals, or number 2. Gordon Hodgson, 241 goals, number 3. Billy Liddell, 228 goals, number 4. Number 5, Mohamed Salah, 227 goals. So Salah enya ACL be ruling out for the rest of the season. Yami adma weekend yeah. Billy Liddell abros wana outwin query or the never to the proper position. Season we query here na se bibi answer on monwe no 2. Sompa Sports. Mohamed Salah could end this season as Liverpool's outright all-time 3rd highest scorer. We oya there sin Suarez, oya there sin Torres, oya there sin Owen, oya there sin Fowler, oya there sin Obia Obeba Ama Liverpool in recent times. He has the numbers and the trophies to show. TJ Mikaga, ubetimi atena Sky ho esuwu. Ubetimi akofa Kopama. And now betena Sky Sports. I am the best player in the world from the any problem. But onam for now, omunti unsugu muno. Cremodino epipa omubibia. What is more, he's used less games to do that. Eye Brunina onyeno. Ebibiemo Sompa Sports. Any cremo oye. That's why you people are even struggling to accept what is a natural truth. Iriasimu in the Premier League and in the world, there's nobody better than him for this season. And if you are, Liverpool statistics, he's erased all of them with trophies. he's done better than Owen. Wadamfo no ntube suawu. Betima Kofako Palmer, but the reality would be one. If Salah were a British player or an European player, or even a Latin American player, you would have seen him differently. And Yemengonga say Omobobo all-time greater. What people were running in the flash player to have scored and assisted in most games in the Premier League. Or the 2 years plus one now can one or bet Pipanyoma be brave. Sompa Sports. You know, 2 years plus one. Habibi best sign. No sad their paper. Nyoma be brave.
Some of them go 2026.
Masa, ombe swawu.
Habibi.
Ombe swawu.
Habibi.
Bremeza.
Habibi si sale nyoma no pele baby fafa.
Ade.
O mu ni mo bi ade bo ano.
But that's all ya.
Oh, ade was say Habibi ye wo ho bia Habibi ayewi. Habibi, pick up your bags and go. Mo do contract be mo nipa no ene otena mo tetare ho obi etafre ho. Tese obi ehunu de wo ye no ho. Habibi, pack up your bags. If you can leave, go. No kotena baby na dwon. E say kwa the Saudi Arabia for request will still 2034 World Cup. Habibi, you bet my the face of the World Cup because we Arab nation, you know. E ho ni nyina ye wabam. Habibi, bi judi say wo de wo. O mama ni mungu ase da. Na abeto to nyoma ye. But all things aside, adena Ancelotti here na me mfa ni agro. Ye de no. Oh, obi be hye no. Obi be hye no. Obi be ni say. Sa na Ancelotti de akwakoji the Premier League, sa de age the Champions League. Being favorite for the Champions League there, baby ameti assistance. I would say there is no favorite for the Champions League assistance now apart from Real Madrid.
But Rio Ferdinand so want to say Liverpool.
It is too early. Champions League na nkasa ne bon. February match when you Champions League no. For now, maybe obi na nka osia na ne boss at home and away wash and one day o kwa away na abe we say yes, game ni the okubu game pa. But the signs are clear. Say he is a coach what improving individual players within the team. The team ni consistent and the in-game management at the top. May coach are adapted to the system, coach are adapted to opponent. It is not easy to have coaches who do things like that. Normally, coaches will stick to their principles no matter who the opponent is. There are few coaches on your side now in this particular current generation who they are dominating Europe. For example, Carlo Ancelotti. Obogema otimi adapte. Iti na de be ka Real Madrid e wo kwan bi o mo fa so bia o mo de be hyew. Unhunu ba be pe kwan bia so e bi na Liverpool ye ne ba mu hu. Liverpool will not dominate game in certain phases. Enra Abraham Brian J mo say chances si botu danjuma bonne na mamu ye o anam si we e be di o mo nche bia. Then the first half goes, we come back. Liverpool changed approach. The number of chances are Girona nya in the first half, in the second half, omo nya ne sa wo.
And a slot no.
Wa be dani game no. She Liverpool second half bia. She Liverpool second half bia. And omo ye so much robust. And e say no, first nanka otu obi free team ni mu a, e den say obe replace ni pa kona, loopholes. But see, I want to be free Liverpool team anymore. You don't see those loopholes. Keneka kunata anyway. Joe Gomez no kreni nyame individually. Joe Gomez no nyade. Katokro beda ho. But kunata anyway no system na Liverpool born any adena slot here no. Exposing the weaknesses of Joe Gomez.
Yeah.
And you only see improvement. And I believe say a slot adwuma na waba Liverpool na wo ye no. Man, that is a top job. Top impact. Away from that, Brazil international say no. The replacement for Casemiro in the national team here this no. Straight. Only obi an chess position.
Atalanta guy.
Only obi an chess position no. Let me be honest with you. At first, fancy. Na me huni say oye a good tackler and physically no or a good on in the ball midfield now or more robust and aggressive. But the technical quality I could not change this season, you know, tells you said Nisili, no, above what we initially saw last season in terms of being robust and aggressive. Last season, what already be now he does not even involve himself much more in build-ups. Ne di ane so a destroyer. Born say I no dreamika. Because Martin the room muna controlling the midfield. Edema Atlanta. But this time around, he has grown to become a controller. And he was controlling Vivian.
Because I know who say Odi Akoto X or say man you look sharp. No more confirm them.
Adia ya, Udimadia, and now Sporting Lisbon supporter be a trade you at the time. So we stress or say man you day 1 stone kill 2 birds. And they are your good Sporting CP. As also per se destroy Rubina Morim carrier. Let's say we are see about
anything. Since I'm already won the last game of Sporting Quay, the last 4 games defeating Santa Clara.
On Lusu game. And so Manchester United.
Victor Gyökeres was wanted in Cameroon.
What to be simple
2 goals in 4
I'm Lusu by Manchester United. What's a Lusu back-to-back games? There's a games, you know. Obo grow so. I'm a club now. Just see the River
you for no Bluetooth. 2 Bluetooth and it's up in the end.
That's a quick. It's the moment slowly. I said, I ran Atlanta. You had Atlanta. You fired this. Near Sadia, this baby. Near Sebegu, this in Marcy. That's how some will fall last 7 Nasamako. But I think he has proven to be a defensive midfielder who will be in high demand. And I think even if clubs like Manchester City and Liverpool are looking into the market for a defensive midfielder, this guy is there. So more marketing him. This guy bet me modi that way because the technical quality is evident.
Well, that's why Brazil.
Not Brazil for Nyai Jolentine, Bruno Gomes double pivot. Omo born longer. Fancy me the babesi. Oh, are they? Yes, say. Yes, say. Me the babesi. I think say.
I been say no say anything.
And they. I say, and a proper haram board, the pep bishabi. Oh, to rain.
Juvenile.
Omo monse, omo bobo draw.
No, Man City training, no, or Mashadana. Shadrach, so Benya South Mammy, and I'll pay. And here, yes, and no more training grounds now, or more practice penalties. Now, alarm when they were winning a buffer bam, Kwam, and say, Bia,
omo buffer,
Mashadana, Bia say. When I used to run to want to be also measure buffer.
Fancy, it could actually be so or mash because Guardiola no know you're quite free kakra.
Yeah.
Goalkeepers on them. But the thing is, City are both teams. Then they almost share team. One, they are aggressive. 2, are very resilient, compact. Omo monche and winning game. Omo bobo draw. Thiago Motta's Juventus no. Omo more winning game. Omo bobo draw. Omo shawa. Unsheno. Emube yire pampe. But ene City sube to me this particular game. Adani omo whole season.
Okay.
Psychologically, City bet me the game way. Adani their whole season and change and your man no ma facing in for the better. Na me this no ma me wo me ankasa me mate. Bawa wa appear menka. Kente former UEW school one. I'm wasted. I'm trying to short. I'm wasted. I'm wasted. Now, Bewa didn't know that I mean, Bewa na call Ken UST Basic School. Esa no a call Ken UST Junior High School. Na emi say Bewa na kasa no heavy. Or heavy. Bibia ope admission who bia or wasted bia no. He's there. They were correct. Me patcho me kasa. So what that is, sir?
Whoa, Mike.
Me that say. Me who the video of
Sompa Sports,
Peter and Casper. Now shows our video. No, say if that video is still bet me the so. I think the proudest moment any parent will have. Ebe send a bar. Ebe rise it to the top. Na parents know you're alive to share in that particular moment. Sounds na akwada bia also see so a brow person obo nyina obody amawai mame and a papa. And even it goes musicians anyway obia or pesika no the akoshe fie. Exactly the point, especially with where we find ourselves. Shemaika no interview nebano. He had a more successful career than the Nebana yeno. But if you are also looking at Nebana the honest with me, I think that it is highly commendable. Peter Shemaika needs making introduction. At national team level, he was a winner of the Euros. Good. Club level, Manchester United, he was part of that treble winning team. Individually, he's the first ever goalkeeper or goal or Premier League in him. In Tiaba football, any more a success, achievement, Peter Schmeichel has achieved a lot. Nebane ntimi nyete se no, but ono so ne so ne de no, wetimi aye. Particularly Leicester's most historic moment in history when Leicester won the Premier League. Na Casper and Edim, and he was doing excellently well.
Yeah.
So this is the best moment bia parent bia benya. Me banie. Ya ka sa wo banie ne yamfra wo police station. Yamfra wo baby Bonnie B. But it is a place where we are discussing success or celebrating success. Every parent will feel proud. Oh yeah. Yenya, okay, so yeah, good. Ne afro oban ne first world class. And no crack no. Automatically it brings smiles on
Sompa Sports.
Now this is the creme de la creme of UEFA's competitions. Now back with them when you play of a match. I think there's something remarkable. And for me, one of the proudest moments that Michael when you said that be or dawa, he will reflect on this and says, oh. Whatever thing that he has done, it is also worth celebrating. And here they were. Now, there is this famous story of King Midas, the golden touch or the Midas touch. In Greek mythology, yes, Midas or King Midas na dani gold. He transforms. Good. Now, golden touch, no, it is a metaphor. You see. Mamintu Mfambe Rem in football contest. And the modern day King Midas would definitely be Gianpiero Gasperini. Gasperini is that coach. He's not well celebrated because on time Jim Krua. But if we are doing a list of players Gasperini has transformed, la list never does one saying trophies are Pep Guardiola winning. Players who were nobodies, but they were transformed. Now come here, Ederson Asem. Okay, fine. Ederson every Fortaleza, Eba Salernitana, Ewo Italy. Yes. In January 2022, no be no. He spent 6 months. Ewo Salernitana, no more relegation. Gasperini kofa ne by. The first season, then he became a mainstay. Nende. In less than 3 seasons, Ederson is one of the finest midfielders, not just in Italy, but in European football. And why is no? Gianpiero Gasperini. It's a similar story. Duvan Zapata. Zapata yako fa ne buy. Napoli ne koto Zapata.
Yes.
No, GDA say ne wesi gloomy strikers to say Cavani mono. Anka Zapata ne suba be fa na be a successful South American story because no benya Ezekiel Lavezzi, Edison Cavani, Javier Pastore. Intinka Zapata suba be fall in line with that South American chain. Amfa.
He gwemu krabe.
Omodi ni Cologne. O Cologne wo Udinese. Amfa no back. Sampdoria be fan kakra amfa. When Atlanta came calling, Duvan Zapata was a transformed striker. No be ejuma wa Atlanta or the Gini Dean. Not just him. Giuseppe Lisic. Fiorentina Jano, they will not even renew his contract. Then Elisic was bought by Atlanta for less than £6 million. Or by Atlanta, no. Transformative. Obiaji Tum said left-footed playmaker. Not from the 2018-19 day bano. Oh, born one fa Elisic and Kahua. Na sebe. Was a couple ma when you. Papu Gomez. Again. Papu Gomez was a nobody. Teams of boy ya. Ewo Italy who ne wodi ne Catania. When was the last time you saw Catania play in the Serie A? Atlanta got him on board. Then Gasperini polished him and changed him into gold. Into Ayenisu. So if you see what Ademola Lookman, what is the Lookman story? He's a boy who did not really find himself. England, no nimne ho. Obechia Everton you know Obebobi. He will go to Germany, or back over Leipzig, Amfa. Under Gasperini, Ademola Lookman is a new person. And not just that, and the Yedin was a Lookman. Yaya Ballon d'Or, also 14. Lookman, one of the finest attackers in Europe. Lookman is on course to becoming Africa's Player of the Year.
wine sano Gian Piero Gasperini.
Because I look my yas and the penalty be a man team and survive.
Everton.
Don't the year no.
Yeah. Okobo panen cabinet to pass. Saying the sad allergy. I bet to say exactly. So again, I could go on and mention Charles de Ketelare. De Ketelare was a player. He was a young boy who played a club. No, Mukofane by AC Milan after they had won the league. De Ketelare were AC Milan and then Atlanta got him on loan just 1 year, and the Gasperini Noyes almost permanent in the year 2024. De Ketelare was 16 goals, 16 assists, and he scored the goal. Then Atlanta fans, Omo de Bana Biba say Ketelare no the football IQ 200%. Gasperini. So not all great coaches will win titles to cement that. At times the contest and say you need to really look at the body of work and check for the intricate details. Netia say ejuma asume si waye enam baby owo ene de ne nsa kan odi aye say ejuma no ese fatasi etimi pagya no aya nam pempi no ye also we great oje sen oye den. But if you understand and appreciate the volume of work that Gasperini has put in and made Atlanta what it is, and along the line polished a lot of players and applied the golden touch to them, you really appreciate him.
Well, Mubarak Tahiru say Man United should send Anthony and Mount on loan to Atalanta. Apana say Fulham.
Fulham. Yeah. So fancy away from that. And what I was say, the individual qualities in the Madrid team will win the game for them. Exactly.
Madrid finds
Atlanta for how Musi set up defensively. They do the man to man, and Madrid have too many individual qualities to change the outcome of games. In the there is Mbappe. Okay, we're free. Vini Jr. Vini Jr. was not even in the game, but just a snap on your opportunity, he will punish you. Then Jude Bellingham. Oshe goals na Madrid sheni nana. Goals that are defined purely by individual quality. Champions League ne do sa stages na ebwa. To me, Madrid team win and shishem wie omuhu ano. But the ability to grind results, even when they are not in their expected state, you should fear them. Musrom, because onye so, but onye so no. Gap Ben near the La Liga.
Yes.
Champions League no free, they can still qualify. Yeah. So imagine if we be so, what happens? It's dangerous. And the games in Yambobo so kakra because Yamre Naso. Now, there is an interesting game that will be played. Arsenal and Monaco. Baby Arsenal da. Any baby Monaco da. Arsenal are playing at home. At home they are formidable. Away no one expect Arsenal to get a win over their French opponent. There is Juve against Manchester City. Game no bone draw. But I think a lot is also at stake. Pressure with two coaches in also. Juve not having a good time under Mota. Pep almost saw a form. And their last Champions League game on mobile away. What happened? The Sporting CP debacle. City are vulnerable. Juve can't punish opponent. Maybe both teams to score. Okay. Then perhaps a draw will also happen. Atleti, Slovan Bratislava there, a done deal. Even in the first half, Atleti will start punishing them because they need a 3 points. Lille, Stormgrass, Lille your favorites to win the game and expect them to get even 2 goals against them. Borussia Dortmund, Barcelona, it is a game I see the two teams scoring. And then I think Barca's high line will be put to a very tough test. And Dortmund were pacey wingers, especially Bino Gatens. Now, they will try to play the long balls. And then these pacey wingers will try to exploit loopholes, particularly Baby Akunde Dano. And then final, so any Sporting Braga, you can look out for over 1.5. Milan will beat Sevenas Vader. And also then Stuttgart, Young Boys, and so about 2.5.
Well, may I say, Mike, still live on full time, live on Sompa 93.1 FM, live on Facebook, and also live on Sompa TV. Mamene Express Group. Empire for area school for the teacher, Momo dear any very necessary na sign genuine e mo bi nyu sikani opani say wo ye de
na me adom ho ye pa dia woko
na me adom ye drew here.
Okay, so at this point you drew pempenso a nipa bebre eguso omo student visa applications.
Some passports.
This is a critical part in the whole journey no yekono. Said the obiaya akudru bia no sabre wo ye na wo anya visa wa bregu.
Ashegu.
Bra wa bre nyina ashegu. It causes another delay. This bia san start the whole thing again afresh. And this is a very critical moment for nkofo omo enya admissions in Bebre, especially omo ko January no. Bebre still not to me any omo visa applications in here. Some of them still have challenges with proof of funds, how to get bank statements near the added to support omo visa application. No. Inti sabre mu ye bra your offices in Indian so are ready to help those group of people. Say obi ewasa or how no say obi to me enya proof of funds as supporting a visa application. Oba will show you a way and then we'll guide you through to get one that is very okay for you. Now make us an nena me can the futuba could be across for people are teacher omenya visas every especially omo ye visit visas and tourist visas are Dodwana na epese eko Canada no. I think Canada has become a critical place. Na the cultural man no penny say they should be very, very careful. Na omon prepare omon. Right now, do you know that the Canada so most people will do transit. Airline or befano. This edeni kusi baby na atwaso de na kudu chrome ho finally. For instance, we are no afa Emirates, we are just said okofa Dubai no near the answer na watwaso. We are afa KLM, I just said okofa Amsterdam and so on. Now what they are doing is that you try crown do port of entry ho. So what people should understand is that unya visa now it's just if I can say BI is 80% of the journey, but there is a remaining 20% until say obe cross amount 9 esikrum ho no unisa no enya ejuma undru
transit one it may foul ho na
yes enti also wakodru ya bona manaba it's language that we hear when your visa all right wakodru UK and wakodru Canada airport ho na nso so wantumi enyi ne nsema no ye enti ya ma na enwura kronim ya bona manaba mpepi ye ball sa no a it is the yama oban. So usually a ball no for Krubi Zakana you get a 5-year ban. So
process and the crowd they say buom crowd na as all forging no kakra be promote the next 5 years.
Exactly.
May apply beam.
I apply beam. I just 5 years now so. Now the challenge with some of the people is that there's a week or two a month we've heard that people omo port of entry near assign. Yes. Because we bring a or visitors visa and maybe when you're 6 years, 7 years, 10 years or Canada.
Wow.
But you know, unyano sanoa. The understanding is that they think that after every 6 months come back to your home country and probably go back again. But the point is how to enter. Obuwa kwanya offer so ye nneema o use ye as of a time or the application no unya visa no. Ebi okazo oko conference ebi okazo oko visit you be date no na one letters ni nyina so no I spy etwem but he or she has the visa now until now who decide say kwa e was say o sign person na ema ni nyina foforo enya say o ta mo visa ne say o de kwa probably ukra visa and be airline be obitwa ticket na ma but ukodru krom ho there are questions to answer. Why na oba ubedi na dodo say when na behia wo sika de ba ye wan how are you going to survive within this space of time also ba bedi wo krom ha no nti ebetuma was when ya 5 years visa da ho dada 7 years 10 years visa da ho dada person de ko Canada but se when nya nyina so potin wo bra wo person ko yi mu a wan hwe o tenya wo nan ensi Canada ho bi okra ekwan mu na ya sign Utie now could do Canada or port of entry no so there are questions to answer. I was so to me provided proof of where you're going to, how long you'll be there, how much money you have to spend. We provide you proof. We say you are not going to be a burden, and that's within the space of time. So right now it has become a challenge for most of the people. If you have any such challenge,
I'm more crowded and I'm more Sompa because that's all bad. What church no too much. You born mass already in your own country.
Yeah.
As all bar office and all the me on so consent me your
exactly.
That's all the all bars a doctor we in I was a chamber.
Yes.
I mean Shamo.
Amen. Yeah,
that was some passports.
Yeah, a very necessary. Obi awo sa I didn't be out there or by officer. We'll give you to somebody or expect so. And now, still, even with some of the students, aside Canada, some of the students who have even gained their visas, they still need coaching. Yes, with airport routes, baby, I'm baby, I'm Messi, me could do assembly, baby, some near was some.
In my immigration for.
We also was not I'll quay. Wait here.
Yeah, no, be him say when you rival and one no.
Yeah. You have to answer questions. Exactly. And you know that interestingly, there are some of the people that we come into contact with. Free her. I could say Accra. I could take biometrics in Accra. No, it's a problem for them. A hono cry young ko bisa ne hwe no a odru ho ade ne certain machines no. It's a problem for them. It's enipa mwanya visas nyina anymore mugusu ye nyina mo fears about how to get in, how to even get tickets finally no. And also a challenge for some of the people who say if you are umunya ya no afa ne phone no call online no a check ya no a pay ticket and no phone no chiaka. Online has come to help all of us, but it has also other sides.
We try online tickets near the Okoshandema.
Obetu ya baby, I feel no say, baby, I know Okono cry, never say, or yet transit for baby. So, na baby also yet transit, say, Krunua, Ukomono. Issa, a chain baby, I'll be fana, most of the time you need a transit visa. So for instance, when I want to compare two countries, say US and Canada. But when you look at it, the US is slightly a little ahead of this one. Say, Canada now playing it over for US. Baby, say, she said, is why I just transit visa. And then to be baby, now I feel now I realize, I ask them for. And see, Obia when you're visa, or what challenges with plane ticketing, ticketing. When you call us, you come, we will guide you through. Baby said, "Bisaning na sani abuwa mocha ticketa papa na unya problem biya ewo ho." Afewa when you visa we are achena upeso ko Canada na visit visa wadru baby a unhu kwa bafaso a ubetumi anya invitation na na mama okwa esisusu no so. Oba, we are willing to also assist you and all of the other students and so. Nti yan offices no nyina Kumasi, Accra, Sunyane, Takrady, Tamale ni nyina abibia ya ready to assist you. Nti mube to me afre yen ewo 0249
000
448 0555
67
na 0552
82 77 87.
Thank you.
Okay. Wo eno express group empenifo na wate say openi no agene nsem aba na ye ko break aba ye ba na ya ba beto aso enso e de free wo enti eno enso eno no na mum before say be ko break make out say gringo carnival no enso e ba so your boss gringo beaters omo carnival na ba so bronya na nie 24th of December ana jumedie enso ba so ya de Emerado Ken Paluta and a Stone Boy and a Bakumasi
dwumade no ɛba so anwummerɛ no nso ɛwɔ Heroes Park ɛhɔ ana ɛyɛ Obuase Gringo Beaters wɔn carnival dwumade no ba so bɛsɛ ɔtɔ ɛyɛ o take it abetumi akɔ YFM Insure FM Poku Trading Supermarket Restaurant and Pies Restaurant ɛhɔ no nyinaa no wɔbɛnya bi anaasɛ short code ɛyɛ star 714 star 003 star 8 hash. Now what follow prompt na fe what they at all will take it no some patch de na beba so yes say ye ma memo kunafo ne eye nyanka no enso ado ye sremu a momo na ma program yi enso enye kama wenye bredi kan na afibia no so mpa eye demaw entimo amuti a mo hwe away asebia wo bono ene ne important say tachiman ane eba wanchidum ekon kranzanom ewram enso ewo chese eye kintampo de ba nwanse nchiranom ekọ bedu ene chese nkronkra twa wo hye ne nyina no se wo eye sunwane a odebekọ eye sunwane night market ana fen kranza eye GCB omo na mu na sompa enso ewo na Kumasi asoso amoba ya beje say ye mo 5 kilos say ye 25 kilos say ye 50 kilos dudo bia obese ode ba say ye ntoma say ye mpaboa eye ntade afei enuane no abibia kan Kumasi fache bia bo mpa egusu wi a na ode abesa se kunani ba kokra sere no okase nyame nhyewa ebiabia pono pi ene maw erifa wo hyem ne ma ne omanya fine enso emfa maw make out say momo number nso nie 0598559802 and I say 0241272990 Edino Alma Tower 1 Media Baba Blessed Foster and no din dia register momo no send the brain and yamenya wakoma so ade and from a kwaba na mom Fibo Ventures and crack one say toothbrushes and a paste omodi aba your Ashford Prince and a princess and no kwada dia Ashford Evidence Ashford Executive Ashford Friendly and a Galaxy way a brush around sentem minute and a leftovers in a brush way ebe kole area fruits intama monum enso ayhwam ewa bra we use afu fresh omo herbal toothpaste eno sabre bia bo modern so be use their brush ayo teeth ebe bro mane man so ay fine ediama afu fresh about toothpaste no aye fibo ene de aba po segolo ndido bia be so che eton bia no we benya 0535452263 ye ko break enso abayeba yaba be ram ewofie.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Win, even if your bet misses.
Obuasi Gringo Beaters Carnival. Gringo! Kumasi, Yamamu Amrado, King Paluta, and Stone Ball. New one in here. Obuasi Gringo Beaters. 24 December. Kumasi Heroes Pack. Chilling in now. We'll take it to 50 Ghana cities. Obuasi Gringo Beaters Carnival. Gringo! Sompa FM.
Mama kwa baba Gentleman Dental Clinic yedumadi ya yedia ne se yebesiesie osin na yabo osin ho ban ama wonum enso ati anase osin animonyam so afa na ntuma pa efi wo fix one no anase aye tafro na permanent one no eno susu yesi a untimi entu bi eno ene efe no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afi yesan eye cleaning services oba ye professional mo na ye finish scaling and polishing se ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esen mu se bi okasa etinema pampan ene ade ebamu na no oba Gentleman Dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho Gentleman Dental Clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchenwa ena wodru enkran so a ye wo nungwa ena Atomic Down domekwa benya runabout no so ho ena wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ho ye ni OGN bank na wo the same premises ena Kachima so ye wo magazine market kwan no so wa anase opposite AY Ahmed na oduru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station wa traffic light na about no free Total Filling Station na yabo sign na edi ho ye adwuma free eda joada popem eda memeda itini afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582.
If I shop, I'm going to show you a bag.
And not to give. What are you going to see about Queen Wayne? Say, Bra, said your time about Misha, it's your Jimmy fearful, and not your back the other soul. Really do this offering now. Bra, and because of me, the time about Misha Wadancia, racing in our Ebertinka, and to say malaria, what do any time about Misha?
I know go, dear, I know what I want to meet any deal. What do any time about Misha? A drink, and your mark or bar waffle through, the one mark or down for any aquada when you feel to you, and some of the time about Mr. Draby. She's a walk hospital, and answer loud. I'm what we say. Oh, a 3D Maria will be answered.
I also time me TIM. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever the other is diva a woman. Even slap. Ubinga be at all over the counter medicine sellers and me herbal shop to do an FDA aji a judging cratoy at all.
They say we are seeing Mudi. Ejumo Bakun to me, wow, and to Prebi, Bissia Kahu, for GDA, and Yakukudro, Ubetinia Yamana Brusumpo, for RTM Training Center. Now, one for 3 weeks a pair and show, send me your cheers cavator, and also your operative forklift. Maria, you have some more certificate in the account. Nasa Wupe say, after training also, Utu Kwakwa Mind to Canada, Hungary, Romania, Czech Republic, Akwaye Juma Honswa, here where Juma.
Ebi ahwe fribia se wanya bread na ohwe ye RTM Training Center adwumaku a ye boawo emansa na adwuma tetew se de be ya obetimi de abobra akwanim se wo de bobra Ghana ha na se wo de tuku akwa manane RTM Training Center betimi abobra so person sua forklift person sua excavator person sua wheelloader anase backhoe ana person sua plumbing na edibritie be boawo amwatimi ehunu na watimi so de akwa bobra e ba bia pese wo de ko bobra bia RTM Training Center institution
Abosaka kakadu anu mejatum na rewu sebe wo me se abofrake to wanya 2 years akada ba kum nti African Spider-Man na me abofrake to yi mo na nipa ho hia dede bi ko so no ti kame ho ne ko hede wo bia expectation ka African Spider-Man ba be se bo abofrake ba preocupe ne hu African Jack wo ba be se bo abofrake na wo secret kura no anything Imbus Herbal Mixture and only me secret. Na dia na ye. Na me yetua na ma nkeka e wo fom. Ana police me di wa dan say me say menye na me nso nhwe. Na me so we no a boost immune system ama say me na me ntebe. Me di kama ama wo ka wo dum so e koso. Me kura so me dai yale ama mai latitude me nya ba ko. Eye je na koso we. Hey, Spider-Man, what are you doing?
Move, I'm a cratching. Ubenya Imbus Herbal Mixture, our pharmacy, and also herbal shops. Appeal for any color mundi if you do me no enum. FDA aggregating katui at
so wallpapers, papa OP wallpapers, and American for mount. So wallpapers at their decorative offices. So fee and sorry. Say your paps are auto. Baby Bia Uya wallpaper, dear do Juma Biano. OP wallpapers, Afro. Yama wallpapers, a macho blind curtains. A banner bedside lamps and so OP, MR types, or mark shapes. Colors out on Nina, Ubenya Biato, Ewana Sweo. Say open LED backlight, Eddie above flash screen a chair, and also OP, Ebemobi. So open selfie ring lights, Ado phone bishim, a OP wallpapers, and Ebema selfie ring lights. OP, Ewo Kumasia, first floor, Nana Judgment building, Tafo, GNTC building, first floor, and a chronom, or barrier, on the market and Edian. So open wholesale, and also retail, any OP, any in South. For OP, our 0540-353750.
Mamisha, time HH Herbal Mr. Bina Unumi, and your what dropa, a ya draw. Yadro say, mani pedian kwamwano enya hoden na akwatia yare en twen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nomno abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebe twasono wonno a na the time HH Herbal Mixture e dia badwaso akora wonyanya mfihye dumienu anum bi wopemfo ane oba wo ma akora nufo enso anum bi time HH herbal mixture. Wubenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers. Any shop dodo na mu.
So pedudo to a friend 0244 417669 0244 417669. Time HH herbal mixture. Yedro say FDA agye adwadien kratoi atum. Na ede na ya obayi a oda formason yafunu emunumuni.
Oh Mr. Entry, also yare ya titi bi ben fie pi nanso ne yemu nyono da. Se me chew no ahodo amoto a me hunu hwea. Ebe ye nwanwa.
Ninyi ni say what also tamfo Hexa capsules any Hexa mixture. Yanum bom kutia also no bia mano adada tedrodi eno ne Hexa capsules any Hexa mixture
akomni nchiremu
osa yekura eto yefunu ene ensunumu etuma wo yefunu ekekawa wodire ho a enye osa etumi ema wo ye cheko ebra wadidi awie somehow eye osa de a compare Hexa capsules any Hexa mixture nanum bo na ho beto so
pedrotua ko okanshi drug lane kumasi dani herbal takradi AA mensa anafre 020382285 apefo abatan ya wama won mofra no fo ene mofra woni mfie no enka ho Hexa capsules ene ne mixture
osa tamfo ede age adwadie nkrato yi atom
Ashafo ye mama kwaba ede aba Alaska Star Enterprise Alaska de said de munim no ono na de wallpapers eba ye ene what the different kinds of eniema abepom e wona so ye Christmas eniema ye de siesie dem any occasion bia ade bia wo pasiesie wo dem bia se bi te say blind curtains center mats sofa covers material curtains comforters any niema bia flowers ahodo wall clocks aye de siesie dem pe bia Alaska Star Enterprise
Sompa FM
Mrs. Anoche Plaza building eno na ye first floor me pacho udru enkran so a ye wo TikTok link opposite Circle Mall Okanshi NS Chemist building nim so Alaska Star Enterprise your #1 shopping center.
It's here again. It's the Super Clash. And Sompa at the Babanyaro Sports Stadium. On Sunday, December 15, 3 p.m. It's Kumasia Santikoroko versus Glorious across the floor. And be a butu.
I say Kumasi for remaining the striker. Avetamo on the 15th. Mumekaichi.
Where is it? At the Form Kulam. Popular stand. 20 Ghana cities. Center line, 50 Ghana cedis, and the VIP for a cool 100 Ghana cedis is the Super Clash at the Babanyaro Sports Stadium. Kumasia Santikoroko versus Accra Sofo. Empire Asia. And we are doing a pepe. Near Beer Gate, 3 p.m. Ha. We jump them. Mama Yesia, I was the Babanyaro Sports Stadium. Kwasiada, 15 December 2024.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing. But
Sompa Sports
having it saved. Bet safer.
Okay, yebefie na yababeto aso ede efri efie na make out say Liberty Conference no food for thought. Womo eno man ministries ana akabo ma free dwumadie no yede kwana we ya na santi when aye Thanksgiving na siasum no ebeba so nyame ya doma on the 21st of this month anopa no nsia edana be Saturday na cheses ememe da ebe na wotwe so ana aye Thanksgiving dwumadie eba so some chapter 107 verse 1 and yeji asemno enso adiafri na minister sebase mama Esther Jumtuni eba minister Kwame Jedu ewase minister Moses okay no nyuma de se ono so ewase bi afa kwaku jesi masa em se show de ji se anope nyina eba bi o ma hiti ya personal to my yes kwaku jesi so wase na Esther Nyameche wo mu nyina yo mo hu nnwom pa ye kasa ndwom gospel no de omo anie enti foundation e Jubilee Park bra na be nhira sansenye program ketu akra oman ne yodubu ache out 11 ana dwumadie enso esi ne sra so Joy Kem Roofing Company Limited omo ana bawo dan so ama wa bra wo moka sanse roofing materials and ne boy dimpa and is wo pe IBR self lock IoT standard sheet and Euro tiles and aluzinc ni nyina no aye Joy Kem ana boawo na emadam enye hye ana eno so no fedi anya sanka pilot ne nkanje zo kumase de short buildings na roofing sheet ni nyina so brown na se ni nyina we na chintime so ma Joy Kem emrombe ye free estimate amount just some more branches out of Kumasi so come on pam wo ne police station or edi enimhwe 0540 125816 more branches awon cry Sunyan ball ganum ene tamalenum ababia befabia Joy Kem juma police near drono no ye can fo adjama sanse imbustaba mesha enie a support immune system a fight edit anyado ahodo a yana be say ha oni padua na nipa kura ni ho daje na beba say wo ya hoden kura na wo kwa adwuma na das na ya de ba be kan wa hyefie enti ma oni padua na nya obi si basa so ho edudu bi asa hoden obi bomode enso banum police near dro twɛn enyare ansensanse enya nyono nenom enya ya anopam yenu anwumra mienu na wianso de mienu so ahyem finfin ama neoma so aye fine ede ama emanom emamanso nom imbust pharmacy no wo mo na de aba wholesale enko a abofuduro no ombetumi atubi wo ho abibiduro bia watene nka bianso benya bi atu ewo ho ama over the counter na say pharmaceutical shop NHS or drugstore no also watu no bi akwa koguma ton ama mfaso no aye odia aye so kwade offensive kwan so ana imbust pharmacy ewo 0246 208496 na onim perform enkase ya bafie na Santoro konso ebo house of nyame ya doma aye Sunday ana super clash enso baso na IMC member ore friend say coach Akwasi Apia James Akwasi Apia so ekasai na ono so din komo no say korokore so fokunsu game eba so no obi nsi trudo matoa yentie nsema coach Akwasi Apia enso edituda
Protocol has Sir Obianim, what is Diabusua, or you're not from there to the Empire. But it's a pleasure no more preparing now. Me now, bit my back at the canteen. Supporters so they are more support more BBA, more BBA, I'm at Nedin Kunim, that was said that.
Eno aye James Akwasi Apia enso eno na fei yenko de okafa game na nkasa so ho mo bo e de tia hanso folk obianim say on a good day no aye big game enye nkwada match kra James Akwasi Apia
Because has sometimes people form cry on here when we bounce so now yeah so the most important thing is I'm going to keep training whatever you need to do to make sure say on the patient was a person in showed on between and management so yeah also more you are I said time biano in super supporters society almost we are also more at any given time no any time or two teams in which here biano wow be on to tell you
yes eno ayensuma James Akwasi Apia so no what say ode ne de kakra enso ade tudwan na no pay no ya de honsem enso ema ye for live on the show na Benjamin Asare so ye goalkeeper na Ben enso di nkomo kakra wa Abrahams eba we ni Asante Goroko eba be ball aye omo game super clash 2 no Benjamin Asare enso ekasai
ni omo so abodada ni momu na football they just that's why I say as at now I'm there for them by football. By just by saying, Bob, I say, the Mili Bra, the Shed and Yambe. And I make us say, football on the Biati, by me wish any concentration, any Biati, how much is there, Yamia, the man, because which is so far much is in the Omunia Sabon, all those there, I'm not going to be actually, not this now, that's my
okay yes eno aye serious city na Richard Atanso kasane record aye with House of Folk so no Richard Ata enso ede kakraman centralfo
nyameni me na maseto has edin say ebe me dey so be break by edin so be me break possible pan so be my ba enye easy sir enye easy me record back me journey has 3 months with na me call blaster so 3 months record. 2. One season, me the best goalkeeper of Ghana. The best FA Cup goalkeeper of Ghana. Oh, the best clean sheet of Ghana. The league, the FA Cup, the Super Cup. And the record, you know. Ubet my be by me. Sure, so bet me the one season by I doing now. When easy. Me bomb pay so bet me break it, but a baby man a challenge na me to man.
Yes, and also I am some Richard Atan so area to Ghana fan a record on the House of Folk and so Chairman Solo so at the Kakra to Ghana. Chairman Solo Korokone House Yamiarma Sunday and a big game Basu Yentie Chairman Solo.
Oh, Dadana. Ejina but home sweet home. Yabafi. Yenya baby the energy na yabe jump. And ye jump and ye jump say ni Accra House of Folk. Kwakobo. Nti your first FA Cup yet me ahye na any House of Folk dey ko boy there ade aye kan say ko supporters no be brand this week he say yeah bo match no Baba Sports Stadium it got to a point na ko say be bo oboase say be bo Kumasi so last minute ya na eba Baba Sports Stadium nti ye wo GD power she mu say and goes me no ahye House of Folk be twa abro everything about you. And I am Qualabon, every no. Of position now, league table, no so. Somebody will be other. I'm not sure much a day in my able. And you House of Folk all out. Kotoko Ebeko all out. You better witness a very good game. But at the end of the game, no, Kotoko be winning.
Well, I know I am some Chairman Solon so a day in the Diana to Jawa Bra game no, and also Basuyana teams at our complaining say Obo game or Baba Yara Sports to maybe our game process. Yana NSA Tetuama Keska the fear be no my part, Mrs. part, and so HH Mukomo for me a deduction after say Yabo game every year bra you see Baba Yara I have facility in the same and almost see a deduction no.
PLB and I yet amana eko PLB fund. Say ye GFA and I yet eko GFA. Say ye ball boys and I yet eko ball boys. And ma NF NSA. It's the deal NSA and then etna NSA coffers. It's for motion and so money. And no and etna NSA coffers. It's deductions a also be a din be a can be an a one echo pepe. Yenche koto concern winechi ani aboni yam kufukufu ana yede ekebi abehye ne kom sebi sporting club omunso bok na ye ne de yenye adwuma mpemfa so nemo sede be obetimi edi na adwuma the mandate ye core mandate yes sports generation no ye betimi edi so fefepepe na ya na ehye eni bu ha enough form iti eduru ba bi na niam twetwetwe ma ya na etiefo nteyas.
And no, I am Mrs. Part, and I'll take say NSA PRO so they catch our to and I'll pay live on the full-time show now. Young Cow said Black Galaxies in some training session. I want a yellow May and so a bass and say, oh, some more friendly and a more board at the Togo, where a friendly game ahead of a qualifier game against a Nigeria, where a Chan qualifier. I was say, you're going to know some more friendly game and by road, and I just almost call Yama drama training session. And so about our galaxies so as well. Now no draws I was supposed to say still now no achi Frederica champion so I esco I am member yentie I no draw.
Achi is still a member of the ESCO, and there was nothing, there is no law in our football which says even if you are MP, you cannot be in football, and you cannot be in football to go and contest. Because we have Janamewu, who is an MP, having over United. We have Basu, who is in the Churchman. We have Amea Chepe, having Basu Academy. We have Suga Chirani, also a football person. We have
Enti bibia no ma chese bia o join aye politics unto me enye football man ye ti still achi aye esco aye member no aye na odro safo sibosro enso eno ne biem mama odro safo on Star Times omo contract no yentie nchiremu eno nso no odro safo de mai.
The contract came to an end. We were agreeing, we were both still in the boardroom discussing and so say you have a formality. Now you have to put documents together, and it doesn't end there. it doesn't end there. Almost 5 times only the friend is saying only Ghana, 5 times near China. So it's step.
Okay, no, yeah, persona, yeah, Coach Adusa video no ready. Emma me from no na junior say trend pa. Enye I video a check maybe I choma na ya so e dia coach no Ghana ne ba but can sempi ye behwem ti ye video no ready. Emma me Alaska Star Enterprise. Yes, o kono akwaje wallpapers and blind curtains e ho. Was say yen kan cho say designs and colors e wom a che say upebi atu atwana sempo upebi e dia dekwa ubenya na best spread no different designs our sizes modern TV stands and the TV backlight best side lamps our sofa covers ubenya bi open carpet at all PVC floor tiles plastic wardrobes and center mat afei we have decorative watches and the flowers Alaska Star Enterprise and say yen can show say brana suesans adibia ya dia deco our fie nature's offices and the warehouses and the bia beso any piano ubenya bi no Alaska and chain a doom PZ nana we Mrs. Anoche Plaza say on Prudential Plaza no AD and share and I think crying so I cycle tiptoe lane on the to do NTT office no and so any D and share for Alaska that was 0200281080 or herbal and medical research sentence to say omo ebabaye free health screening adjama omo customers ni nyina ntimua yana ya debe say ha mo ba mo ma hokra so da no onso obetimi abebe hyase 16th akosi 21st of December enti hyanen so ma say branches outdo a ewo eye Ghana ne no mountain so ba bia ba obia no betimi akoho no akwakoye free health screening ne san say wo mo screening akoma no kidney eye vana fa dwena nkasamu NHS or blood sugar levels ni nyina no won be screening amwo hu so mo screening na so wo be hia sa o se ma wonro ana so o se ma treatment o so mo ma 30% discount unya e o babia branches ni nyina na ebeye na udru kaso a omo enso benje D restaurant Kumasi a adoato adomanu ana tachiman so no omo ben Kente Royal House fra 0257472506 nanem panfono enso enkasa shark afema me coach aru se video no na yen hwe nioma no so course we e old video ya so ba so mba be pe a plus for academy wo de yen ti kakra nioma course wa che bat ma wo sama fo pinase enyo bi se coach aru se so be be de ho a nya ne sanka bi nei ya na amanioma e kachi amaye yen hwe
85 okay move back move back. When were you born? This out. 86. What was the day of your birth? And you finished school when? 87. 97. So when you finished school, how old were you?
14.
No. Wat?
Moet ik op de uitdrukking letten? Of ze me aan durven kijken?
Ja.
Ja, hier zie je tussen blozen, ja of nee? Dat zag je toch net bij die vorige groep al? Ja. Die kijk je gewoon. Oh ja, hoe deed u bij?
85.
But I have my doubt. This one I have my doubt. You can't be below 15.
Oh, coach, it's true.
What's your school time? 99. Why he?
Coach, I beg you, I'm okay.
Listen, no. Cabinet offer. Yes, the credit. No.
We cannot wait for a long decision because we did the same thing with the other boys. Maybe they have the same doubts,
yes.
You know?
Yes.
So we have to make a decision.
Stop
arguing. It's very unlucky, but it is.
very strict that the limited to play here is January 1st.
Yemre, Nafi, Yemra Sunti, no. And I say, I asked for Baby pay players for my academy now. Could I patch ourselves so Kobe because I have broached or so we are school when you feel say on Kai Ojina. Oh coach, and we say no. Yes, Mr. I'm member when other stories
it's quite unfortunate these things happen. But at the end of the day, say this footage not bad this time around. A Brenner Abano will make you appreciate the kind of work your coaches be a tremono. Na omudi dwuma bi maya na omode honesty ye adwuma na omode honesty ye adwuma we onkono udini mo we tre e bi ejina se na tre, so you relish the opportunity being given to you to work hard. And when you say wo course ayas ni so ayefa wo we trials na wo kono ayas and you say wo kwa sign contract wo ayas, you are now going for the proper trials. Yes. Let me say, Coach Evans, I don't move Sompa Sports. You see the kind of work that actually goes in, and yet for the agros will be sorry, and I've seen people share their experiences after this video came out. Say, Charlie, na mini mbopa o na so yan family, na mini mbopa o na so yan family, na ma say so yan family. A three, and a three no be more relation the opportunity you've gotten, and you work hard to keep it. And to say, and none of the opportunities comes easy due to alliances, cronyism, and favoritism at some point. Inti nipana when your opportunity does not work so hard to make opportunity become something relevant at that you know. Because only so a bar at an easy way. If not an easy way, he had to pay his way out into such things. And Obino bet Makacham saying nobody. And Coach Edu says also protecting reputation. Now things have changed. I'm so happy this video is out as it stands. And the video is on zero. Coach on zero. Oh, Coach Edu says super.
No age cheating.
MRI BNO. Obwasi Clay.
Combined with
no.
Ajax Academy adapted it, and that was not the Liverpool even came.
Sompa Sports
in 2005. Fancy. It is some more kind of football no about players and because yana mystery. So we need your potential. And it's an abro for this here. Near do say cow honing na abro for no air corroborate to actually. You get a point. I do say quite no could do or say we get a near Kramajiska. I brought from Bones or Yano Quafo. Now, if you ask him a baby the eba, a yara hosame, a woona, a be far, young coaches at one particular point in time. To remember for a period of 2 years, Okoai, Herbert Ado, Samadi, Afrani, and Okafon do don't know. Could you do say, well, only be a video and yard or a kind of crash this year? I don't think so now. Yeah, 1986. Uri School 97. 86 to 97. Hey, how many years? 11 years. Ghana High School P1, 6 years. It's answer, oh, yeah, the intino. You have 5 years. Or 5 years. 6 plus 5, 11 years. Into Uko P1 at 5 years, 11 years, no. Who years school 6 years? So that's it. No, but that way a simple arithmetic.
Sompa Sports.
Sanity.
But I'm happy this video is out and we relish.
Yeah, I do it. Whoever kept this thing now.
Yeah. The video
Dutch media outlet. Actually, almost a documentary.
Okay.
So almost started sharing or TikTok. And I think that some of the bloggers in the coffee.
Okay.
It is actually trended for about 1 week or 2 weeks.
Wow.
Yeah,
It is
fantastic. I asked for the project.
But it's really good we are seeing those things. Whatever that happened those times now is good.
Multi-club dynamism anyway, for sub-Saharan Africa, it started from Ghana. Say club where any club where I can't be. It started from Midland, Mamobi, FC Midland.
Mamobi Midland.
Exactly. It was similar way. The Wafa Fono, Gomafe final, Wafa Red Bull. There was several multi-club models. Wake rank, it would have been Obuasi Goldfields and then Liverpool instead of Ajax. Or there, anybody who has time, pay a visit to Longley. Never check a more trophy cabinet anyway. There was even a commemorative match. Or more ball Liverpool for Abba share. Then they would sign off a deal.
Trophy now.
Liverpool
replica jersey.
There's the Liverpool replica jersey. Then Carlsberg or so. Giraffe autograph. Autograph anyway. Everything is. It would have been Obuasi Goldfields Liverpool Kenya. Way I think that the ISD BT Liverpool Kakra will be the
Michael Pia actually.
No, Obuasi football stories in there. I think that you need a solid production for that. There's a lot of stories I'll bet me.
But we just work as now. One hour, peja.
Oh, but we be a bobemo. Oh, Ebusiani be bromunia. Edu say any adote.
So why they?
Oh, yeah, adote number friend. He will tell you the story. Ebimba bromunia a Black Park. The snap Nicosia.
I don't want to risk my reputation. You are
so more argument now. Brofuni ni momo.
Yes.
So before say broni nebe ka say way. Bros no and now way mafano no. There should be some information from the two coaches. At that time, now Edu say in the head, then I take a deputize. And to move back on that can't assemble the chair. So they felt say maybe in some no more catch up bro for Nibino. Now in Trey.
A cranky on Bompayo.
I do say no so didn't cry yet.
I some got actually.
When the name of boys and Kwan, not wow. Yeah, I said a Shaibu Yakubu. Yeah, already a top scorer. Or Kotoko failed youth product. No.
Or the ball was
or free or boasen. Yeah. But Kotoko and farmer. No, but so right you team. No Remo Benya a year academy. There is a lot of stories. Aquafu cry. Yeah, but I near Aquafu Ninkom. And also I think so Boasi moves I know so I'm far. Then Kodoko the any material.
But I think I have to agree with Bishop with the talking about your coaches now, Michael Mufedi out at some point in time. Kuchika Frane, those things. It really hurt your football on a part.
Say you say Cabrofwa, even at this time. So Cabrofwa year interview, press conference in where you use a way yatitini. Aside that, he's well educated, and most of our coaches can't even articulate or move views in a way. Coach is not Mufasa Abachiness no. Otia Kent and you do say money ways. Or my bing. They can't be in terms of the academics, no. Yes. And our coaching is no more TSC. So they knew how to go about their stuff. No, they one more and man say you see it as Yaba form.
The standard is down.
It's a video no. Mbit Makoma chika krada mo the video not to so fully. Maybe I'm more transcription.
Okay.
That phone can't say he's too old.
Yeah.
I do say so catch up and say when you do. So I do say now boys in channel.
Yeah.
And that's for no way tree. I bet about the album say for my better baby. He's too old.
Oh, but Bernie Bakrabeka say like Omon person or more better. You see. Abrofone the omo once here na we show a human face. Oh, fat channel. Oh, where the other consider no. Abrofone nya omo de sir. If you qualify, obeko. So omo nya ya me pacho me sell omo nya sir. So they were saying sir me pacho ni please na omo di delay. Inti e we free ma dey free na free park na soko. Good delay this time no. normal but justify ni be so the select pool no munya omo no na also omo yi be the
look at their faces to see if they look at
him. Hey,
Cabrochino into man who is screwing and say no.
The last group did the same.
You a big opportunity. Yeah. It was a big
opportunity. Born under 17 now, most wapping and
at that time, no. On my share newspapers, more who a year can no money way more buyers. So to them, it would have been a dream. Some come to Benya Kwenya Nediako.
Okay,
no for right age kobo. What dream?
Omo bebre na ni mo age.
They don't know. They don't know. What your audio no video no audio now.
Yeah, 86. No, real 97.
Date of birth ne kra na ya fix e egu card so.
Into no ko onim
say ya fix egu card so for code say you know. Enti obi wo kra de na no from no. Onim the date of birth ya egu the code card na so.
O say you school that way.
A big issue.
O say you school that way.
One could be a car back at us or cobra for so.
Obviously, I say school, I see it say so real like this.
I said no, KG 99. Obviously, say, oh, the devil say, oh, no, 99, no, KG. So imagine,
the purpose of this video is not to mock anyone, but to appreciate the kind of coaches we had at some point in time. And then look, near the air ball. As I say, your master.
I say, I'll cast ball of Bossa Sector en route to winning the trophy.
Yeah.
2005. Ukes ball Bossa Sector.
Sompa Sports.
Not 4. We're around Duncan under 17 team. Owusu Ajete, Telfa, Kremoniakwa no fit Tamalea or Black Stasi. Wakasu. So what changed?
I mean, that's also Anglican. I was Anglican.
What changed?
Your man is home.
Whoa, me Brenna be and one no. Mamma, we quick enough for you and foreign and Qualitac. Our dental clinic, as a Brabaya, a dental therapy, crown and bridges, and our dental implant, a band of cosmetic dentistry, scan and x-ray. Also a cleaning and a polishing and and so a Qualitac dental clinic and a Brahma. What me I simple or more catch your management building emo our Patassi or mobile Vegas 0538250078. Afei Kurun Ghana Limited omo ese yen control say Hyunchu capsules and Mr. Q ayememe dro tatasho oye bema ayamomori anso be pe no bi enso anom na boama omema yo na eche so dwumadi awudi ni paduane mu anya hodema person say Johnso yaw ebejai obebo prostate eho ban ne dumpa mu nso a premature ejaculation nyina abekọ ba wodi araba bazen tablet and one ebeboa ama blood circulation aye adwuma no ba tenka wanya bi ewo cheso ni paduam number no aye 0244275429 polo pole bibia find it am say come be me too be
yeah
na fe
me won dey search conclude me are fabulous the best fabulous the greatest fabulous to say more dey e more than pa boss umre ni tie na me ye snappy madam Roma kotoko supporters yesremo na me yaduma Sunday ejina ko no de bia me come say 4 nail na has of folk e share ya intimate ye ho na ye referees intira because tem bia baba yara ye ni has babo bia timi nya 5 penalties 6 penalties ni age wine palma ye obeda te ho na me yaduma Sunday kotoko supporters munye nyina ni say ye na ye penalty referee decide say one ye kula na ye tiam penalty ye do so nkwa de obeje say ye penalty nkwa dia ye beje any enfani pa 5 person tiam penalty e ma referee nye ti mesre kotoko supporters Sunday polo achini mienu nyina ye 20 cedis center line 50 cedis and a VIP 100 cedis mesra mo match ne oboase baba yara ye nto take it up bia so oba gate anu aba beto boss omle ni timi da wase pa
ala fully very simple wo shak ayen komrai real quick na fe ye ba na ya ba beto aso ye ba ye fa aye Jerinas enso aba quick ye fambra
chia ahwefo na etifo nyina wana wo hwe TV na wana wo radio so eso Jerina Seba Center na yedo ekono Dr. Jerry Adaroma ene ahoto abapa ama asunje aba sanse yade wo no mu a na enije entimi ema na ebom se ahoto wo de a enipa wenije nyina wapomoden enu ntine na me no hwe enupa Dr. Ede aba edwaso asa no edie obia epebito ema ye ho etoye se se de bronya mu na ye won ye rawi ene 27th November idi ni de se nyankopon adom odi awrem enti e da nyankopon se pa enti e kan say obi si ntimi de yade e na e ba be di bronya da bi na nadra me yi anu ama se da bi ye ma won fa yade any bronya de biara edda enu ntini ye ma Jerry Nas herbal mixture anum ama asumje etimi aba ede ama wo dodo enema nkoye emfa emma ewie boye ye nam nyina ye pebaabi afa esi free kai ma ye ni kra ye ntimi ente saamre na wonso atwentoma akuri hu a woda honom se de wankwa a obia enko abusuafo asantefo de se kokko obi ntima ne ba ono ankasa no te ena wadi enti se wankwa menuanam kotwa ebeyede Jerry Nas herbal mixture ena ebetimi aboa ama malaria typhoid ne jaundice no akọ awo adi woni nyina bedwa wona mankoye no ebejae amonum ho ama ho to yedre na wono baako a eyi ade ni pie na esan tu ase ema ahoto etimi eba obota afono wodwene ho awonte ase aya wotintesuo dodo wodi ase ni nsene nso bi kura meka se ukuna tukwan nanso se ne eto kwan se ebofunu ne etintesuo a eno nso se de be hye hwan Jerry Nas herbal mixture ena ebetimi aboa opa ama abofunu ni nyina agyae eni subiwie no beko ama asumdwe atɔ aba ama enije etimi aba Jerry Nas herbal center e kira kwan ne Breman no ye ni new DVL ni abebie no Breman no se kwadwo ena ben enu ntinu na bedu Breman utwam Breman UGC na wo ka se ukɔ DVL honum na driver ni bia ebesiw ye ne ye adjacent ye ben pa enti Breman Kumase Breman de enya ira kwan ti wonti bibia ase eho ye center ye hye yade awodo ewo ho ti yade bia ha wa opesa wode ko hospital ana wode ko eba center bia no ube PM ewo ho no ma nyankopon enam Reverend Doctor so ebema ahoto etimi aba ma enti yade abetena wo so a say typhoid malaria wakoye lab ana wako hospital na lab fo aka tro say ma me ye hye no jaundice ana typhoid malaria no wedra Jerry Nas herbal mixture ba ye no chese aboye pa eboye ma wutimi di kama e ma wutimi eda onipa wutimi na chese wo bibia kra enkoyi ade akia na wani asroso obi kasa wa kakra bia na obuafu wo ba adwuma ma wutimi nye because da bia na eja wa homre wona nti kakra bia na wabra eduro na Jerry Nas herbal mixture medafo doctor no ne number 0241
0241
814 677 0241
814
677 number 677
that's right
achieving us number 667 intimate source wo hwe media tie me 0241 814 677 number no ne me ensa nyina de obefre bia no Dr. Beshe na wajo so ama bibia akoye ede amount afa Jerry Nas Vico mixture no so ewodwa so eno no severe waist pains eno bi wo na sa wo hwem na wutie mia obi wo no ma ne sis na kana to dem pa ede mfie ebi a mfie be mienu miensa sisie no ntimi na ntim sisi no kro echima but mode na friend number na me de ama wo no ye wo adro no special one e be da ye ede agu gallon foforo mu ede abrewa wo sori bo so mepe na wa sori anante ama wo sisi no atene entina ya na hia me pa sa woni doctor ebetimi abo enkomo no Jerry Nas Vico mixture no eboa eyi esisie no mu ntini no mu e ma wotimi nante kama obi wo se me koto a nintimi ensori anaso okoto a ne sori na ye den edi ama no na ade eto from kra na ofa ayese ade no won pepa enso nim se okoto a obeka ho Jerry Nas Vico mixture na ebeboa wo ama osisie na tinya ye adwuma ye papa no mu eburo nya ebo ye maame no mu eburo nya eba adofo no mu bekwa akosesa adofo no ye de ye be hye de mabo pa ye na enso nim se ade ebeboa ye Jerry Nas Vico mixture ene ebenom de akwa akodi buro nya da bia me nua be meka wo se wo perig na enso ba no betoto papa so ntiatia mu hunu ne kasa tenten emfa hwe ema se man entorege de fama wa hwe ya wa beto wadi o Jerry Nas Vico
man entorege na ene be mo sa kokono e won pa so hwe
Jerry Nas ebedi asema maye Vico mixture no eboa mema nze wo yoba na wa hwe na wa wutimi so sisi ntimi wane entimi nkosoro mafom na se ne etie ne steam na ejina fa ako a kopɛ Jerry Nas Vico mixture enonom na entimi emo waposo ye ne ye adwuma ntenasie wotena sika kra bia driver ne ukɔ ha ba ha na usisi na lock ya ana waposo wutimi nkɔma bebi so si kɔda mie wansa kopɛ Jerry Nas Vico mixture enonom na entimi emwa me ka se ya obi ka se na ne de ye maame die wanka ye maame no ye papa no obi e drain die ye se de wonyem ana o ma akwada no fo ana wonya mfie dumienu a na wontimi no ye drain bi na mo bro 12 years konkon ade ye nremienu